Hi. Extrusion rate is probably the most important factor to consider when producing great-looking prints.
Everything from model strength to surface finish is affected by this one setting. In fact, I'd say 80% of the ugly prints we see are a direct result of an incorrect extrusion rate.
Don't worry though, it's not a difficult thing to adjust. And by the end of this video, you will have the most finely tuned prints in no time at all.
Extrusion rate is filament specific. Pick a filament you'd like to tune, in this case we're tuning some lime green ABS, and get it ready to print. We like to get an average diameter of new filament by taking a few readings over a few unrolled meters. If you can't do this, just enter the diameter value that the filament is supposed to be. We made a model specifically for the task of tuning extrusion rate. Grab the linked file and load it up. Set the infill percentage to 95%, 2 outer walls, and 3 top layers. We'll be running the model at a medium speed and a 0.2mm layer height. You may want to run this tuning again for each different layer height you print with. Ignore the first 5 layers and then take note of the infill as it runs. You should see very small gaps visible between the infill lines. If you don't, then you know that the extrusion rate is too high. If your printer allows, drop the extrusion rate as it runs. Wait a couple of layers and then observe the change, adjusting again if necessary. If your printer doesn't allow on-the-fly adjustments, then you'll need to stop the print, change the extrusion rate within the slicer, and start the print again. Observe as the printer finishes the top layers. These should be smooth and without any gaps at all. If you see gaps, then the extrusion rate is too low. Continue adjusting until you've struck a balance between smooth, gapless top layers and tiny gapped infill. You should have a nice smooth exterior on all edges, like this one here.
Hey, thanks for watching. And if you're interested, check out our other troubleshooting videos found on our channel.
And if you like our videos, consider subscribing or leave us a comment and let us know what other videos you'd like us to cover in the future. Thanks!
Bye.